Imagine a typical day at the office. Now imagine a day when an emergency unfolds. Would your team know what to do? Here at Attentive Safety, we transform uncertainty into confidence. Our Group BLS training isn't just a course, it's an essential lifeline. Watch as these teams engage in learning the crucial skills of basic life support. From CPR to handling choking emergencies and using AEDs, our certified instructors ensure every participant is proficient and prepared. Observe the concentration, the collaboration. These individuals are not mere colleagues, they're evolving into lifesavers. Each precise compression, each practiced breath they take could potentially mark the difference between mortality and survival. Think about the peace of mind, knowing your workplace is equipped to handle any medical emergency. That's what our training provides. Visit our website today to secure your training session. Don't wait for an emergency to find out you're unprepared. Attentive Safety, where safety meets excellence. Empower your team, enhance your safety.